What's your thoughts on a 2023 KX 112 for pit riding and trails as my first bike? Well, I've done a lot of videos on this. I think you already know my first thoughts are that that's a horrible bike for the two things you just listed. The three things you just listed. You said pit riding. Well, a KX 112 is so far from a pit bike, it doesn't even make sense. It's not a pit bike, and it's not good for pit riding. For trails, while you can ride it on the trails, and it's going to perform fine, especially on double track, quad trails, stuff like that. It's a horrible single track bike, especially if you're a beginner. And then we get to point three, and you say, as my first bike, is this your first bike ever at all? Then yeah, that's a horrible bike for your first bike. So the KX112 doesn't fit well on any of your three aspects there. I would look into something else.